Hello dear traders, I'm Maria Staradop and this is the review of crypto analytics from fx.co. It's the 11th of July today, Tuesday, and in our today's review, first we will discuss how things go with central bank digital currency projects all around the world, and how Bitcoin and Ethereum started this trading week. And we have two articles today, Buzz and Seneca. Both of them were written today in the morning. And we will start with news as usual. And this time, let's discuss some surveys, some statistics on the point of central bank digital currency projects all over the world. And according to a study by Bank of International Settlements, 93% of central banks are already exploring central bank digital currencies. And by 2030, there may be up to 15 retail and 9 wholesale CBDCs in circulation. And 86 banks all over the world took part in this survey, and according to it, more than half of the world's central banks are experimenting on or working on CBDC pilot program, and nearly a quarter of all central banks are already piloting their CBDC retail projects. And the number of wholesale CBDCs in the works is much lower. From a geoeconomic perspective, countries in emerging markets and developing economies are at the forefront in CBDC adoption. Their share in pilot and retail is 29%. Meanwhile, the developed economies are just 18%. And both developing and advanced economies mostly share the motivation behind their CBDC projects. It is financial stability and efficiency of cross-border programs and payments. However, developing countries are more likely to be guided by considerations of financial innovation. And as for the moment, so far, only 4 CBDCs are in circulation in the Bahamas, Eastern Caribbean, Jamaica, and Nigeria. However, based on the study, 15 retail and 9 wholesale CBDCs are projected to be operational by the end of this decade. So these projects are developing, and soon, maybe not so soon, but almost all countries are focused to have their own digital currency. And now let's get to the cryptocurrencies, and we will start with Bitcoin. Let's have a look at the chart. So, Bitcoin American dollar pair has made a new swing high at the level of 31,514 and then pulled back from the extremely overbought market conditions towards a narrow zone seen around 30,000. The intraday technical support is at the level of 29,729 and the intraday technical resistance is seen at 30,428. Moreover, the bulls had broken above the technical resistance located at 28,446, and now this level will work as the technical support. The next target for bulls is still seen at the level of 32,350, but they need to wait for fundamental events that would trigger more volatility. Until then, the whipsaw trading conditions are expected. Okay, let's have a look at the chart for the moment. So it's the 11th of July, and yesterday we can see that in the second half of the day, Bitcoin again tried to retest the 31,000 mark. However, it didn't manage to reach it. The highest point was 30,908. Then it started to decline again. Bitcoin opened today at the point 30,431. And now it is trading at the point 30,626. Yes, it is still at same positions. It's somewhere around $30,000. However, as for the moment, it managed to break through the technical resistance, which is at the point 30,428. So probably it can reach new highs today. We will see. And now let's talk about Ethereum and the next article by Sebastian. So Ethereum Moroccan dollar pair has reversed from the highs seen at the level of 1,974, broke below the 150 moving averages, and is currently approaching the key short-term technical support at the level of 1,816. If this level is violated, then the next target for bulls is seen at 1,759. So far, Ethereum has been trading inside a narrow range between 1,843, 1,877, with one failed attempt to rally higher. So Ethereum market participants await the fundamental trigger to truly break out from the consolidation. Okay, let's have a look at the chart and see. Probably it managed finally to break through this consolidation range. Okay, yes, it finally managed to do it. Ethereum opened today already at the point 1,881, and now it is trading at the point 1,885. It's managed to break through the technical resistance. It left that very narrow consolidation range. However, it's a little above it, very close to that very narrow range. It can come back so far, but we will hope that it will move higher. Well, this is all for today. We'll see each other tomorrow in our next review. I wish you profitable trading and have a nice day. Goodbye.